sa axis. Negative y, I mean. Negative y is here. So, pabalik ka kabay. Then, for this, 20 units, 36 degrees. South of east.
Wait lang.
South
Huwag ka na ha.
of east. So, for letter B, tara na, 20 units, 54 degrees, east of south. So, mo lang pag-description na sa may geographic reference frame. Okay, Ren? Naman ka mo,
Yes,
Ren?
ma'am.
So, we go now to the finding the resultant vector. Kaya mo di ka na, so nyo di ka na inyo kaugalingin and how to give directions and how to identify the directions and what degrees sa given problems later on. So, listen ko rin. This is just not as very important as our main topic at this moment. Okay, we are just finding the direction on how we are going to identify the vectors. So we go next to the problem now.
Yori.
So kung naman yung kaprabalik sulat ko, maintindihan nyo?
Pidya si Jolan, Pril, Steph.
Resultant vector
Pril, Steph.
of the given below.
Uy, rano ko ginasapak how.
Kita nyo? Ludnin?
Ma'am,
Ludnin?
ang gamay ma'am, medyo bahala gawa ma'am.
Alin gawa? Baka mo karakita nyo?
Gamay lang ma'am. Sige lang. Medyo ano lang crew na. Medyo okay na sige.
Okay rin dyan, kaprabal.
Medyo bahala gawa ma'am. Kung pwede ma'am. Alas na lang ang bahal.
So, din sa bataw. So, din ang nag-lantaw dyan, pero may nasulat ko.
Medyo bahala gawa ma'am.
Kung dyan, yung kabal, okay lang?
Add ma'am.
Kaya to man dyan?
Add, sige ma'am.
Find the resultant vector of the given problems.
Pril.
Below. Using the lang.
Steph.
Using the graphical
Steph. Okay.
The graphical method and the analytical. So under the graphical method, we have the parallelogram method and the polygon method.
Mangkot lang, mabatian nyo ko. Sorry, ang sa Minecraft. Hello, Pril, Stephanie, Jolan, Moller.
Under that, we have the parallelogram. for the analytical.
Mangkot lang you guys. Mabatian nyo ko. Tinagawa ko sa pak ni pero ni Stephanie.
Or mathematical method.
Basta hindi ako batian.
Yep. One is method of trigonometry. Then number 2 is component. So for the graphical method with the parallelogram method and the polygon method, and analytical or mathematical method, you have the method of trigonometry and component method. So meaning your parallelogram method will go with your method of trigonometry. Ay mo polygon, for its computation method, you have this one, analytical or mathematical method. So when can we use the parallelogram method and the component method? We have to use the parallelogram method when we have two vectors involved. While for the for the mathematical method, we have the polygon and the component method for more than two. So if you have three vectors involved, you will be using the polygon and the component. If you have two, you're going to use the parallelogram and the method of trigonometry. So for the method of trigonometry, darwara dyan natin sa rin. The Pythagorean theorem, if the vectors are forming 90 degrees, while if they are not forming 90 degrees, we'll be using the law of sines and law of
Off
cosine.
man ang mic ko guys.
Clear?
Sa klase ni ma'am.
So we go now to the problem. Manan yung law of sine and law of cosine. And then you have for the parallelogram, you will be using the six trigonometric functions. So what are the six trigonometric functions? We have the sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, and cosecant. Six trigonometric functions. So we have the sine. How do you find sine? Cosine and tangent. Actually, ang cosine, the opposite of this is cotangent. Ano opposite ka cosine? This one, the opposite is secant, right?
Yes ma'am.
This one is cosecant. So, to define your sine. This is pertaining to angles forming or your triangle, no? This one. Yeah. So, this is your angle C. This is your angle B. This will be your angle A. Angle A, angle B. So opposite these angles are its sides. No? This is your angle C, this will be your side C. We'll be using your small c. This is your angle A, this will be your side A. This is your angle B, this will be your side B. So, ano po?
Hala, ako man, hindi man ako kasulod. Okay, head. Bigyan man ako galarkating server, manaka. Eh, don't worry, naka-off mic ako sa klase ni ma'am ha. Basta matingala ka. Ay, nakasulod ako.
Opposite over the hypotenuse. Correct? For cosine, adjacent over the hypotenuse. For tangent, opposite over the adjacent. So, kung magungit nga baliskad nanda, so meaning kung mag-secant kita, we have this as equal to hypotenuse over the opposite. For cosecant, cosecant. Abbreviation na ka. You have the, it's not to, KSC. Walang cosecant. So you have hypotenuse over the adjacent. While for cotangent, COT, you will have adjacent over the opposite. Okay? Are you all listening? Ludnil?
Yes, ma'am.
Ikaw lang pamangkot-ton ka, lagi tanda ka sa bat. Bala ka mo dyan, kung di ka mga GD, wala ka mo pamangkot. Okay, Randra? What particular is these three lang? Sine, cosine, tangent.
Ma'am.
There's it lang.
Ma'am, ang pwede sa next mga sulat, ma'am, pwede hindi titilirampit. Kag,
Ako lang kara.
no, okay lang ang sa nasulatan, ma'am.
Ade. Okay. So for amo dyan 6 trigonometric functions. So we go to the sine law and cosine law. Sine law and cosine. Okay rin. Danlag ba yung ano ang yung sine pet? So for sine law, anong sine law? We have side over angle or angle over side. Paliskad lang sa dakarang. So you will have of side A. When we say angle, we refer to capital letters. Angle dyan. If we have sides,
Jata ka sa center.
this would be small letter D. So if we have angle A, over sine A. Ang ganun. And it will equal
Data
to B
Flat.
over B equal to sine T over sine C. Ang may sine angle. This is A. This is B. Sine C. Sine A. Sine D. Pwede mo dyan masuli. Pwede man ang angle sa babaw, ang side sa dalim. We have sine A over A equals sine B over B equals sine C over C. Pwede ikaw itong cosine law. So your sine A, your side A would be equal to squared, no? Equals to B squared plus C squared equal minus 2AB sine angle A. Basically, BC, not BC, sine A. Natawan yung sa Google, yung kung insakto ang akin nga formula. So, B squared is equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2B, 2AC, sine, sine galing sila. Sine lang. So, sine A. Kung ano yung mga side igya kara, mo na yung cosine, nandiyan ko kara, i-multiply mo sa di ba la? Then, cosine B. C squared is equal to B squared plus, A squared na naman. A squared
Ina-live ko ka ni class ni ma'am mo.
B squared minus 2AB
Yun, nga mo already.
cosine C.
Naka-screenshot eh.
That is, you know the angle opposite the two sides which are given. Okay? So if you find for A, kulang lang square root ka dyan. So A is equal to the square root of. Now, parang. Okay then? So these are our formulas.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we go now to the finding the resultant vector. I'm going to give you the problem. So for the parallelogram method, I give you this one. For number 1,
Naka-slash fly ka. Oh. Okay. Naka-slash fly ka mo, learn, no?
Method of trigonometry and two angles. So 1, do you know to give the resultant of those acting on the same line? So, so vector A is equal to 30 units. The 30 units ang pag-. Sige lang. Start na. Vector A is 15 units. Units is, and vector B is 10 units west. Then for number 2 here, we have vector C is 8 units north, and vector D is 6 units west. For number 3, counterclockwise. Vector E ano yung parallelogram, parang yung isa ko sa babaw. So, are you through with the, piano dyan?
Yes, ma'am.
Dudnil?
Yes, ma'am. Ano, ma'am?
So, our first problem is we'll find the resultant vector of the given
Mall.
problems here.
Wait lang.
Letter A.
Wait lang, get mall.
For number 1, letter A, vector A is equal to 15 units is, while vector B is 10 units west. Then, for your number 2, we will be using here the in a straight line. This is straight. 90 degrees. So, this one is vector C, 8 units north, and vector D, 6 units west. For number 3, we'll be using here the method of trigonometry and the parallelogram method. This number 2 and number 3 will be using the parallelogram method. So for number 3, we have
Mall?
E is 30 units.
Yes, Mall.
Counterclockwise.
Wait lang.
The positive x-axis.
Wait lang. I'm trying.
While vector F is 40 units clockwise
lang,
from the
Mall.
negative y-axis. Are you through? Tapos yung kopya?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I erase the what is written above?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ang sa kilid, sa dalom, ma'am, hindi makita, ma'am.
Sa dalam ka dyan, dyan?
Sa dalom lang, ma'am, sa dalom nga part, tapos sa kilid, hindi makita ang letter A, B. No, sa piyak, other side, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. At thank you so much. At kita ko ma'am, copy rin, ma'am. Okay,
Ang jay bala, this is, we'll be using the sign is, this, may theta, para nagya, sin theta. Sin theta, that is theta, any angle in particular. Dalipat ako. Dalita mo. Maka may theta para dyan, ha? So, place that in your notes. So, for opposite over the hypotenuse, so A mo, A over C. Then, this one adjacent, B over C. Opposite over the adjacent, A over B. Then, this one, hypotenuse over the opposite, C over A. Baliskat na. So, C over equals C over B. Well, this one is B over A. Okay? So these are the
Yes,
formulas
ma'am.
we're going to use afterwards. So I'm going to erase the above portion.
This is so cute.
So we go now to the problem number 1. Problem number 1. Number 1 states that A is 15 units east. Nakita nyo? And vector B is 10 units west. So we're going to graph that. Hindi kita nga-graph ka lang, wala kita T-scale. What will be our scale?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ano?
Ang sa dalam ka paragraph, ma'am, sa babaw, ang letter A, letter B, ang gamay, ana, agi. Okay.
Makita?
Ang letter A, letter B lang, ma'am. Wala ra, ma'am.
Wala ka dyan?
Medyo pwede mapahal. Thank you, please.
So number 1. A 15 units east. B vector B is 10 units west. So our scale here is, kasi yun sa notebook nyo, that will be, gamay nyo katawan. Hindi mo JB natin. Sige, okay na. Oy, sarap. This one, east naman gyapon kay along the straight line. East man gyapon. So my scalar is 5 units. Is equal to 1 each. So we'll have a straight line na lang, no? For the x-axis. Ano kita ka space? Ay, mga dyan. May graphing paper tam ka na dyan, mapatadlan yun yung kara. Nalipat ako ay notemail mga pan. So this is now our So this is our east, west, north, south. Ay, sila. Sila. So, my scale is 1 inch equal to 5 inches. Is equal to, 5 units equal to 1 inch, I mean. So, I'm going to measure from the point of origin. The meeting point of these two lines would be your point of origin. If this is 15, this would be 3 inches. Equivalent na 3 inches. While this one is 2 inches. So from the point of origin, I will measure 3 inches. 1, 2, 3. Here. So this is now my vector A. Now, in adding vectors, we're adding from head to tail manner. Head to tail. So we're going head to tail. So the next vector, amo dang head ta, amo dang tail ta. Right? So head to tail manner.
Yes, ma'am.
Kung di na head ka first vector, there will be the starting of the next vector. So for letter B, we have 2 inches from A. So 1, 2, 3, 5. So this is now our vector B. So what will be your resultant vector? It will be from the tail of the first vector to the head of the last vector. So that means it is from the point of origin to the head of the last vector B. So ang ating resultant would be this one. Ang resultant. So this will be your R. So therefore, we have this as R is equal to 25. No? Vector A plus vector B is equal to 15 units plus 10 units equals 25 units. What will be the direction? East. It's the east. How about if we are to give this one for letter number 1, we have A is 15 east or west, I mean. Pumunta, no? For this, no? Ang next natin nga construction would be A is equal to 15 units. Isang boto lang din. About lang sa first natin yan. Units, west, and then vector B is 10 units east. So this is our number 1. Letter A. Letter A natin dyan. Letter B natin dyan. So for letter A, this one. This drawing. Then we go to letter B. 15 units west. So that is 3 units from the point of origin going west.
Going west.
So this one. 1, 2, 3. This is where the vector now is. So this is your vector A. Now for vector B, we have 10 units east. As what I've said, it will be from head to tail manner, no? So our adding vectors. So our tail of the next vector will start from the head of the first vector. So how many inches we move to the east direction? Here, 2. So we'll have this as our vector B. So what will be your resultant vector then? It will be starting from the point of origin to the head of the last vector. Amon ba yung una? Ang P? So we will start there. No? So that amon ang atin nga resultant. This will be your R. So therefore, you will have this R is equal to A plus B. So A is negative 3 plus is natin is positive 2. So therefore answer is negative 1. Ay. 5. Positive. This is negative 5 din eh. Positive 2. Negative. Make out in measure. Dali na. 3 minus 2. Here, get it right. 3 minus 2, 1. This is, so we will be using the negative 15 minus 10 units. So the answer is negative 5. What will be the direction? The direction of the car? West. Just would like to show here kung opposite direction ano imuhon mo, no? So this is now your vector A. So pabalik ikaw, halin sa vector B, may pabalik ikaw sa may vector A. 1 each from there. So this would be your resultant. What direction? West. So bisa kung wala natin ng ang negative, pwede man. 28, but we have in the direction west, meaning at the west direction. Any questions?
None, ma'am.
Plus, all of dili ikaw lang. May question wala?
Ang sa, ma'am, ang sa...
Okay rin? Mama, tilot-tilot dyan kay, tilot na kayo nakaano na kami ka na dalawa. O class?
Okay rin, ma'am.
Tira lang kamo nila. Bawaan lang kamo. Tatlo lang kamo. Hindi ka mo interesado. Bala kamo dyan. Eh, mag-lecture ka matutulo ka mo physics. Ano ko mga nga? Science major could teach all sciences subject. Amura ang ginaanot lang namin. Sa inyo. You could teach physics, biology, general science, all the sciences subject. Chemistry, physics.
Nambalan ko na sila tanan, ma'am, kalikay na pangaga,
So,
ma'am.
hindi nila kinakapadayon? Ano dyan man? Lutin? They are not interested?
Tatlo lang kami, ma'am. Nagwa sanda, ma'am, kay na ko na internet, tanda, ma'am.
Sinananda, half of the class, more than half of the class would join. Si Lutin, tanang kamanot, tanang ka na. Kahit na ba yung inusar ko ba ito? Kita na nag-video pa natin. So, video presentation dahil. Oh. Any questions? Duduro mo ka mo kayo na?
Ma'am,
Nagaw.
ambal,
Hindi ka mo interesado?
may ban ko na, ma'am, nga wala. Salang kulog.
Hindi. Paano sa ma-join na hindi? Tatlo mo lang kami useless.
Ma'am, ang iban yung classmate, ma'am, ang balang daw rakanda ko sa graphic paper. But paper lang ko na anda mo.
So, reschedule na lang natin. Kaya dyan na okay na dyan bisan urati band paper, graphing paper. Sa dyan ba, kinala may graphing paper ka mo?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I recommend that, ma'am, nga ma-i-Facebook live dyan, ma'am, kahit sa...
Ano?
I recommend nga recommend ko, ma'am, nga i-Facebook live sa next time, ma'am, kay garing clear, hindi. Clear ang, ma'am, Kay pwede ra mag more than 1 hour ang FB live, ma'am. Tapos ra ka ang mga ang classmate nga maka-watch. Ako lang nga agad lang ang Facebook.
Sabi atin mga dyan nga, inang Google Meet. Sobra man dyan 50, maka-join mo. Sabi na mo kung magto kita sa Google lang. Ay, pero sarang karapagin. Naduro ka more than 500 na I'm using the issue, Zoom,
Pwede man Zoom, ma'am.
Upload nyo. Kasi maubos. Pwede nga mo kararigya ka, join gani ang estudyante ka more than 40. Pira ka mo, gani ka mo, guro, 35. Pira ka mo kananaw.
33 kami, ma'am. Pero 13 ang inactive, ma'am. Usually, kasi sila sa mga GC naman kag sa kay ang mga klase
So,
pa.
tatlo man lang ka mo, ang pag-go, siga pa kay Ludmil. It's useless. Why? Tatlo lang ka mo, si Ludmil ka nakamaano na.
Actually, ganda video mo, ma'am.
Hindi ka ni masensa, no? Kaya taman kabutan.
Ba't hindi upload mo sa YouTube, ma'am, tapos isa lang ang link sa GC, ma'am?
Ma'am, ang amo ka to, ma'am. Ang bago ka to i-post.
Okay.
Makutablas Ludmil.
Ang bani, ma'am, ka to kaligat. Your ano ra? Bugat yun man, di ta naka-record kang video na kay bugatan na cellphone, bugat ang internal storage na
So, sa ka mo mga face-to-face, You just call me.
sa next year, ma'am.
Next semester, may face-to-face mo, inang laboratory lang.
Ma'am, sa laboratory naman.
Limited sa laboratory. So, pwede man na, kung 2 classes ka mo sa lab yung amo kara, I'll ask permission.
Lang, ma'am.
I will ask permission to the science division. Ako pwede po kasulod sa inyong na klase.
Ano mo? Yung mechanics na, ma'am. Okay, mechanics.
Solid mechanics niya. Manan mo, magamo pa dyan. Itudlo niya nyo sa sa inyong student why the object is not in motion, in motion. If there is a net force, may motion. If there is no net force, it is at rest. So, how will you find the net force? Kung ang mga Javi force is acting on that, so we'll be using this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Depende ka ninyo.
Ma'am, ang sa Google Meet, ma'am, ang may iba nga classmate, ma'am, nga hindi ko no clear ang camera mo, ma'am. Tapos, ang handwritten mo ko no, ma'am, gamay, kagatilirambit. So, purang balat
Bramo na pinagreklamo,
na may hasan damaw ko no.
This class, ang itilan nga science major.
Naga-private message siya sa ako.
Sulat ko at may patugani So, pwede man kay ginano tabay ang ganira? Ang whiteboard. Kung lapad whiteboard, di ba ilang
Ang camera, ma'am, pwede, gali no, man Japon.
Ano, ang camera, okay man?
Ang kung sa Google Meet, atara kay,
Andiyan ang camera?
Pero sa naman ko, okay man ang camera, ma'am, sa signal lang ginagod mo.
Internet connection na nag-blur.
Nag-blur na. Nano, di fiber ang awan mo. So, when are you going to reschedule?
Next week, ma'am, wala ang dating class, di ba?
Bakasyon din.
Next
Bakit
year.
pwede susundin yung krama, pwede man? Sa Monday, gari may Christmas party kami.
Wait lang, sino dyan sa Discord, wait lang git, please,
Pwede
okay?
man.
Thank you, wait lang.
Kung
In
next
emergency, urgent.
year. Ay, hindi, pwede na. Ito na sa school kita Diploma
Wait lang,
yan,
wait lang, Steph, wait lang. So,
After
classic
the
pa si ma'am,
laboratory,
or now, wait lang git, kay gusto niya
But
sabi.
yung teacher, we will set a schedule kung wait man. So, pwede man dyan kanina sa balay mo. Galing ako ti blackboard yung lapad.
Ma'am, pwede ako
Okay na
ka...
kita sa blackboard, ma'am.
Ay, anong pag ano nyo para kung di ka mo kuna mo lang siya okay man no, di ba la?
Ma'am.
Darala ka mo kayo nga graphic paper. Ha?
Anak man ba na rin anak mo nito?
Nilod nil. Silod nil ka na grabe sa tira makutabla silod nil kung ma-join pa tayo sa class.
Ma-join ako.
Ma-join ka pa sa class mag-ano tanda?
Yes, ma'am, ma-join ako. Ma'am, ang may phone ako dyan, ma'am, nga, no, bago, nagiram lang ako kang, ano, may extra bitan na, ma'am, si mama. May extra new phone na. Gamitan ko dyan, ma'am, i-video, ma'am, sa imong lecture, ma'am, kahit 1 hour siya, ma'am, long or more than 1
hindi ko
hour,
kabati
more
ka
than 2
wala
hours.
gawin ay mo ambal. Kabati mga mo?
Hindi, Ma'am Rayo. Ang ano ma'am,
Nawala namin tanak na si Julan pag ano. Pinaga-atake na ng mga ambal. Ayun.
Ma'am, excuse me, mabatianan ako, ma'am. Pwede, ma'am, nga, ano, may bago ako nga, ang parent ko, ma'am, may isa tanang extra nga bago nga phone. Wala nakisara ginagamit. Pero, ma'am, amura gamitan ko, ma'am, i-video, ma'am, sa imo lecture, kahit more than 2 hours, ma'am. Ma-open na kung pwede ako kadto sa inyong, nga, bisan sa eskwelahan or sa balay nyo. Sige, ma'am. Ako lang ma-upload ako lang, ma'am, kay may akan lang phone, ma'am, kay ma'am, may free storage. Di ba pwede ra ma-Bluetooth halin sa laptop mo, ma'am? Ay, uod. Di lang ako kamaan ng flash drive nga i-connect sa isang ragin na kay tiya. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Nawag ko ka to. May ate tinyo wataman sa grade 11, grade 12 kag sa ano. Wala kay TV ala kan ba? Oo.